Today is the beginning of the first week in October, which means that in the UK and Europe, it is Dyslexia Awareness Week. This happens at this time every year and is the opportunity for individuals, charities and other organisations to raise the profile of dyslexia and therefore make the world a better place, in my view, through a wider understanding and a celebration of the positives. In fact, the European Dyslexia Association have appointed Thursday, October the 7th as World Dyslexia Awareness Day. This year in the UK, the theme is Invisible Dyslexia. This is very interesting. There are many people who might prefer dyslexia to be invisible. After all, if your dyslexia is not a big deal, then you may prefer for it to stay in the background. Undoubtedly, it is just one of a whole number of characteristics that make up your identity. So you may feel that it is not a big deal, which is fair enough. Also, there are many people who prefer for their dyslexia to remain invisible because they may feel if they are struggling and having a hard time, saying to their boss or managers that they have a significant and lifelong disability might threaten the security of their job. They might feel that having a disability means that it is impossible to get on top of the challenges, and therefore they might feel that it is safer to deal with the issues alone, as they always have done through hard work and endurance, and so opt for keeping quiet about it. Of course, the downside of this is that you won't get much help and you will have to continue to work on, probably extremely hard, in isolation. This can, for some people, lead to mental health challenges. Another significant downside of dyslexia being invisible is that the general public do not understand it. They probably think that it is a thing to do with reading and writing, and since you have a job which requires reading and writing, then there's not a problem. How could there be? But we know, you and I, that it is definitely not that black and white. I'm positive about dyslexia. As a dyslexia coach, I talk to people all the time who have dyslexia, and I know that there are lots of positives about the condition, and those things should be celebrated. I also know about the struggles and the challenges, and I know about the strategies, the resources and the technologies that help. I see people's lives improve. Dyslexia doesn't go away, but it can be managed really effectively. If you are covering up your dyslexia because you're worried that people believe that you can't manage the challenges, you're wrong. There are loads of ways to deal with those challenges. One of the great glories of Dyslexia Awareness Week is that lots of charities and organisations do things to show the positives about dyslexia and to show the strategies and the resources and the technologies that exist to make dyslexia manageable. Human beings have been around for over 100,000 years, but it's only in the last 500 years that the tyranny of print has existed, which is a very small fraction of human existence. No doubt the inventive and creative and the problem-solving skills of people with dyslexic brains has played a vital role in our evolution. We now have amazing technology that can read to us, write for us, help us to organise and free us all up to use our minds to solve the massive problems that humanity faces. Climate crisis, energy crisis, overpopulation, pollution and so on. There is no shortage of problems to deal with. We need creative thinkers more than ever. So let us celebrate dyslexia openly. By doing so, we will hopefully give courage to everyone to explore the characteristics of dyslexia and to support the challenges and build on the strengths to make the world a better place for everyone. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. If you found this video useful, then why not take a look at this one? I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.